There's a cool new feature in the most recent version of Photoshop, and it's going to help you workshop your ideas faster and share your updated work more easily. Let's say you have a composite in Photoshop, but you want to try a different portrait, let's say. First, we'll show only our original portrait layer. Then we'll hit Save. And then, in the Share menu, select Send to Firefly Boards. It'll save your document to the cloud if it's not there already. Then you'll see the option to either open in an existing board or create a new one. Place your Photoshop file on the board. Now, to see the other portrait options, I'm going to select my image and I'll hit Vary. Once I have a portrait I like, I'll send it to Photoshop and bring it into my composite image. I'll remove the background and generate a new image with correct lighting. Then I'll hit Save. Back in Firefly Boards, in a few, you'll see the option to update your Photoshop image. You can go back and forth, editing your Photoshop file and updating it in Firefly Boards. This can come in handy for showing your work to clients or collaborating with others. Now, to fix that jacket and headphones so that they're actually blue, I'm going to edit this image in Firefly with AI Markup. Head over to Firefly under Create and select Edit an Image. From here, you can either upload an image or select from your generation history. Now I'm going to use AI Markup, which allows me to make targeted edits to an image like the headphones and jacket. I can even select a color from a color picker. It generates an image with the exact color I wanted. To learn more about AI Markup, head on over to this video and learn all about it. It's my favorite new tool.